I'm going to show you guys a YouTube channel that has only 600 YouTube subscribers, but is making $2,000 a month, and they're not even monetized in the Google ad revenue program. Hey everyone, it's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you guys how to create profitable content. I want you to know and I want you to believe that you can do this as well. You do not need to have the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours to start making money on your YouTube channel, and this is going to be a great example. All right, so here we are on Rick Silva's channel. So Rick actually found me through my Camtasia videos. About 3 weeks ago, he reached out wanting to get a Camtasia coaching session. I offer these one-off coaching sessions where you can ask me questions about Camtasia, which is a video editing software. And in the first call, he was telling me that he had been watching my Camtasia tutorials for over 2 years, had been literally studying all the videos that I put out on Camtasia, and it's how he was able to edit videos for his YouTube channel was by learning from me and how I edit. And at first in the call, I thought we were only going to talk about Camtasia and video editing, but then he revealed to me his YouTube channel only has 600 subscribers and is making $2,000 a month without being monetized, without being approved yet for the Google YouTube Partner Program, which you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. He's not even near that yet. When he first told me this, I was like amazed, so happy, shocked. And I was like, tell me how you're doing it because I want to share your story with others. The more proof people can get, the more they're going to believe it, and the more they're going to think that they can do it themselves. So first thing is, this is his channel. It's called One Referral Away, and he focuses on teaching people how to get referrals instead of leads. And he explains that referrals are a much greater asset to you than a lead. And I have to agree. We get referrals all the time, and when someone refers you to someone that they know, it's easier to make the sale. All right, so as you can see, his channel has 623 subscribers. He releases videos once a week. He said that that's what he can commit to right now, is videos once a week. And here's the cool thing that I really try to hone in and get into people's heads. Check out his views. There's less than 100 views per video, and some people might come to this channel and see this and be like, oh, you don't even have 1,000 subscribers, you have less than 100 views per video, this channel's a failure. First of all, when someone says that, that tells me that you actually do not understand how YouTube can actually work for you, because you're only seeing what's called the vanity metrics, and you're not actually seeing what goes on behind the scenes. You can't see what goes on behind the scenes because you don't have access to his dashboard. You can't see that he's actually making sales through his videos. You can't initially see that, and if you don't understand that from a business perspective, then it's like you're just gonna see this subscribers and views and think, oh, it's a failure. Now, Rick actually showed me that he is making $2,000 a month. I wanted to first confirm this before talking about it to you guys and using him as an example. And in fact, on one of the days where I was doing a coaching session with him, he had gotten like a $700 sale on that same day when I was coaching him about Camtasia. So here's how he does this. He focuses on referrals and teaching people how to get referrals, specifically for realtors, financial planners, people in those industries. Second, he releases videos once a week, so he's consistent. Third, he has a professional look to him. You can see that he doesn't just look like someone who's just doing this for fun. Like, he actually looks like a business. He looks like someone who's professional. And third, he utilizes the description. So a lot of people do not utilize their description. The description is your moneymaker. A lot of people expect to make money off of their YouTube videos, but their descriptions are empty, or They don't lead them to where they want people to lead them. You can have a really great video and everything, but if you're not directing people to the description and you're not putting anything in the description that makes money, then you're only banking on making money from the Google ad revenue, which is likely not to be that high initially for you. So you can see here in Rick's video, he has here, for all your networking needs, click on this, and it's one referral away. It's his website that matches his branding, and then it goes straight to here. This is called a sales page or a funnel, and so he's gonna now tell you why you need to focus on getting referrals, who he is. He's gonna be building his trust with the person, and then he's selling, right? He's selling a course. And like I mentioned before, literally 2 weeks ago when I was on a call with him, he showed me that someone that morning bought his course for $7.95, and he only has 600 subscribers and less than 100 views per video. Now, if you watch Rick's video, he's super real, raw, authentic, he's fun. And when you can put that in a video and you've got something to sell, people will buy it. Stop worrying about the initial vanity metrics of it all, because it's not necessary to make sales and to make money from your channel. Like, there are channels that I know that have more than 100,000 subscribers. Their videos get thousands of views, but they don't understand how to monetize their channel, and they're making less than $1,000 per month, but they have way more of those vanity metrics, right? Treat your YouTube channel as a business, and it will pay you as a business. If you want to check out Rick's channel, his channel link will be down in the description below. Check him out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.